guys, Candida here, and these are the POPCHOSE half the time, half cent Eucalyptus Shower Steamers. This is an 8-pack, and not only do you get your 8-pack, but when you open it up, you are going to have a bag to save one for later, and of course your frequently asked question card, as well as a score. Now this bag comes in handy because these steamers are already cut down the middle. So if you're going to take a shower less than 15 minutes, you're going to want to use half of one. So you can use this to simply help you open up the package. So here I've taken it and I just went on down, and then if I need to, I can push it up and it helps me open the package super easy. Just like that, the package is open, and then when I need to break it, it's already got this cut. So if I'm going to do a shower less than 15 minutes, here is my half piece. All I've got to do to save this is open up this package, and we're going to simply stick it in the bag. And so just like that, this one is safe for later use. I can throw this in my shower and start enjoying the aromatherapy. If you are going to take a shower longer than 15 minutes, go ahead and throw the whole shower steamer in for full effect. This is the menthol and eucalyptus scent, and by far I think this is my favorite scent. I like the way it just helps start my day. It has a little bit of relaxation. I can do a deep breath and just really take in the scent for aromatherapy. So if you are in the market for a shower steamer, I hope you found this review helpful.